Hello, welcome back to another edition of SC Classics. Hope you had a good bank holiday weekend. This is Tuesday, so come back in today. I've swapped took Nora off the ramp, the 79 Mark II RS2000, which you can just see there. And I've put on the ramp the red MK2 Escort. Not actually got a name for that one yet. But anyway, got it on the ramp with the intention of putting the engine and gearbox in. I don't know if intention's the right word. But yeah, I was going to trial fit the engine and gearbox because the tunnel hasn't got the mounts welded into the tunnel, so I was going to have to cut with some sort of gearbox mount and trial fit it all in there. I'm not going to tell you what engine and gearbox it is just yet, but that was the intention on Saturday, swapped over, and then I got a text message yesterday from the owner who informed me that it's now having a sequential gearbox, which I'm excited about. Never fit the sequential, but yeah, so the plan of fitting the engine and gearbox this week is on hold now until the brand new Quaif sequential gearbox turns up. So yeah, you have to hang fire a bit for that, but I'm excited to fit it. It's going to be a pretty good car, this one. It's definitely going to be fast. So yeah, I'm with mocking up the brake kit. So I'll show you what I've been doing this morning. So if you're new to the channel, this is the car I'm talking about. This is I don't know what year this is. I think it's a 78 maybe. Mark II Escort. I think it started life as a 1300L or a GL or something like that. Obviously it's not that anymore. It's going to be sort of a Group 4 spec road car. It's basically going to be ultimate road track. Full cage, 15-inch rear tubs, turreted, 6-linked, Group 4 strengtheners in the bay. It's got a 50-inch Atlas, 8B 50-inch Revolutions on the front, 9B15s on the rear, tank platform, you know, all the usual Group 4 stuff. In the previous video, I started showing you fitting the loom. It's got a full Wales Motorsport loom, which is basically just plug and play. Well, to a certain extent, plug and play. I've got to adapt it for standalone management because the loom is to run carbs and a coil. So there'll be a little bit of adaptation. It's going to run a Emu Black Series, so that'll have to be teed into the loom somewhere. And obviously it's going to be having a sequential as well, so it's going to need a gear indicator, wiring in. So there's going to be a little bit of wiring on it, but generally the loom's pre-made. Still need to fix it to the down the sill and stuff like that, but it's all laid out to where it needs to be. But today I've been, when this wakes up, where are we? There we go. No, there we are. Today I've been mocking up the brake kit. So the car was supplied to me with brand new Bilstein coilover strut cases. Got protective sleeves on there, but they're threaded. It come with brand new AP 5000 calipers. I think the discs are 305mm. They were supplied, and so was the bells. I've had to go out this morning to collect some. That one's already bolted down, so I can't pull that one off. I picked up a pair of alley hubs from GS Classic Fords, along with some long wheel studs and some wheel bearing kits and some hub to bell bolts, so we can start getting it all together. So this one's I've already pressed in the studs, pressed in the races for the bearings. Nothing exciting there, but they're all in, ready for mock-up. I have trial fitted the radial caliper brackets. They fit well. There's a little bit to shave off there, but it's only on one strut. I'm guessing this gusset is in a slightly different place, but they fit good. They bolted up. These are all just trial fitted, so there's no locking tabs on the back of the disc. I'm not greasing the bearings or anything. This is just a mock-up to see if everything fits. So I'm going to get it all together and then trial fit them behind the wheels. I can't fit them to the car yet because I haven't got inserts, but I can trial fit all hubs and brakes and whatnot and make sure they all fit, mount up nice and fit inside the wheels. So that's what I'm on with this morning. He's also got some beefed up gusseted steering arms. You're not going to be bending one of them anytime soon. Try and get them on. Some Ferodo, I think it's Ferodo. Yeah, Ferodo Racing DS3000 pads. So yeah, it's gonna be a nice spec Escort. This one, it's gonna be really nice. I'm also as well, for the people in the last video, there will be no blue silicone hose content in this one. If I've got my way, this car will not have a blue silicone hose. As I said, they should be outlawed. So yeah, sorry to disappoint you. If you want more content, you have to look elsewhere for blue hoses, because I'm trying my best not to fit them to any car. So yeah, this is what I'm up to this morning. Fitting all these up. I'd say that's a pretty good fit. Just bolted the brakes and the hub up to the wheel and it clears, thankfully. I don't think you go much bigger than what it's got on it right now, so yeah, no more than 305mm. It really would have a problem. Yeah, just clears. See from the back, just about clears. So we're good with them. Look nice and neat. Quite happy with that. They're going to work. Oh, you could go bigger. Yeah. Still got to change. I'll have to look into steering arm bolts, because they're a standard steering arm bolt. As you can see, it's no good because this has got wedged or gusseted, whatever you want to call them, steering arms. So they've got this extra, probably 10mm on top of it. So they're not going to work. So we're going to have to go with some longer bolts. Let's see what the Rally Boys use. It's very close on the disc. It's not touching, but I know the trotted end is going to be very close to that disc. So again, it's going to be a little bit of trial and error. No locking tabs on there, as you can see, but this is just a mock-up. Make sure everything works. It'll all be coming apart again. So far so good. All went together quite well with minimum problems, which is a change. So a little update on the red MK2 Escort as well, the Group 4 S-Track road, well, pretty extreme fast road Escort. It's actually got a name. I've been asking for names on it. It turns out it's already named. The owner came Tuesday with a very special delivery, and he informed me that it's named Scarlet. Obviously it's a red Escort, Scarlet. So there you go. We got Nora and we got Scarlet. There you go. So yeah, update on Scarlet when my camera picks up on it. His special delivery was a Quaife 60G 6-speed sequential, long gear stick, new flywheel, new 4-paddle clutch, single plate 4-paddle clutch, a flat shift with ECU, gear indicator, clutch lines, flywheel bolts. I'll show you anyway. They look quite good. So there we have it. Goodies. So we've got a 60G Quaife sequential, all built, brand new, ready to go. Sensor push bearing, all mounted up. We've got the line kit to make the middle lines for the bearing, throwout bearing, as the Americans call it. Some ARP flywheel bolts, gear indicator with oil temperature as well, very fancy. ECU and loom for flat shift, TTV 215mm 4-put single plate clutch, big bad boy clutch, and a nice lightweight TTV flywheel. Now although this is a lovely flywheel, I'm also a little bit gutted because the flywheel that come with the engine is just a work of art. It's just a complete skeleton flywheel. It's probably 2/3 the weight of this one, and it also comes with a twin plate clutch, a big beefy unit, 7¼ inch, but like I say, twin plate and a lovely flywheel. Now gearboxes come from Camillus Bradley in Ireland, and he recommends this clutch and flywheel setup, and he's been rallying for years, so you have to go with what he says. So sadly, the nice beautiful flywheel and clutch will be coming out and getting replaced with still a nice flywheel and clutch, but just not as nice in my opinion. But if it works, then it doesn't matter what it looks like. It also comes with a brand new 5.1 crown wheel and pinion. So gearing wise, because this is the overdrive gearbox, the overdrive ratios, it's geared for, I think it was in top cog, 6 gear, 8,500 RPM. It's 127 mile an hour on 15-inch wheels, which is more than enough, I think, for an Escort. That's with the 5.1 crown wheel and pinion. That'll be good. Having a gripper diff, and I can't remember which shafts we're going with, and obviously the 5.1 crown wheel and pinion on an Atlas. So yeah, that's it. That is one sexy bit of kit. I'm looking forward to getting that in the car, along with the equally as special engine, which I'm not going to show you in this video. I will show you that when it's in the car, so you'll have to hang the fire on, watch the next video to see that. I think you'll be impressed. It's going to be a hell of a car. Sadly, that's all I've got for an update at the minute. I've been concentrating on Nora, getting that out of the way, but I will be getting Scarlet on the ramp next week, and I'll be getting its engine and gearbox in there for mock-up, so I can start laying all the engine bay out where things are going to go and get an idea of things. Yeah, that is a very special delivery. I'm looking forward to getting it in the car. So that's it for the Scarlet update. It's just a small update for the time being. I promise in the next episode the mystery engine and gearbox will be going in, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. I've had so much support, so many new viewers, and so many new subscribers recently, so thank you, it's really appreciated. And like I say, stay tuned for the next update on Scarlet. The engine and gearbox will be going in, promise. And there'll be another update on Nora Sunday, usual time, 11:15 on Sunday. So again, thanks for watching. If you haven't done so, please subscribe, give it a like, give it a comment. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. See you in the next video.